Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Google Docs in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until the best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set before we proceed. Once everything are set already, please proceed to the upper right side of that. You can see an icon like this. Please click on it so that you would be able to show all of the Google apps here that is being created by the Google. So we just have to locate for Docs here. Okay, so I can see it here next to Sheets. So just tap on it so that you would be redirected or be navigated to the Google Docs. So wait for some time until we are being redirected to the Google Docs itself. Now, once we are here, okay, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Please click on it and locate your cursor to cast, save, and share. The moment you do it, you will be able to see this option at the left side of it, which is install page as application. So bring it up and this kind of window would appear. Go with install. In a few moments, a new window would appear here in our screen, meaning we have successfully installed it in our window. So by that, you can now close the window as well as the browser. And also, you have successfully created a Google Doc as well as the desktop. So in that way, you have just successfully installed a Google Docs here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you will search it here at the button search bar and type for Docs, okay, you will be able to see the Docs app here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so by that, your machine would ask you to pin it to the taskbar. You can simply click on yes if you would like to, or you can go with no thanks to decline the offer. So installing the Google Docs is very important, especially if you are having a task for creating a blank document or an online form or even anything here. Okay. So anything that you would like to go with. Okay. A blank document, a resume, a letter, everything is being set here. Okay. You can also choose any format here that you can select or that you can use with. So that's it. Simply close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.